Hi, I'm Elaine West from the Sewing Basket in Plymouth, Wisconsin, where we believe a pattern is just a suggestion, and we can't wait to see what you create.
Hi everybody, we're going to make half square triangles today by sewing the two triangles together, and we're going to be chain piecing them. How that works is you take your two triangles, they're right sides together, I line them up. I have my machine set for a pivot function, which means it will stop with the needle down and the foot up. If you don't have that function, you'll be raising your foot. I'm going to start with my needle down and my foot up, and I'm taking the point of the triangle. I have my 1/4 inch foot on, and I'm going to slide my triangle right up so this edge hits the edge of my foot and the left hand side hits the needle. I'm going to plant my foot, and then I'm going to just hit the gas. And I'm going to be very careful as I stitch that this edge of my fabric stays right along that edge of the the 1/4 inch foot. And you want to be sure at the very end it stays together. So I'm using my fingers out here to be sure that the edge of this stays right along that black blade all the way to the end. When I stop, it plants my needle and raises my foot. I take my next pair, I put them together, and you'll notice I haven't cut off the one that I've already sewed. That's what chain piecing is. Now I slide the next one in, again, line it up with the needle and the foot, and hit the gas. If things start to slide off a little bit, just stop and straighten them. And you'll notice also I'm not using any pins. These are very small pieces, so I really don't need to. And then I'm going to grab my next pair, and you notice each time I go, my needle is planted and my foot is raised. If your machine doesn't have that pivot function, just do it manually. So you'll put your needle down and raise your foot, slide your triangle in, hit the gas, watch that everything is staying nice and lined up, and that at the end, you're keeping this edge all the way along that foot right up to the end. When you're finished, you're going to have a whole chain of pieces. Makes it easy to walk over to the ironing board. I can just pick it up and walk over there, and then I just snip the little pieces that are in between and press, and I have a lovely half square triangle.